Hey coders, AI enthusiasts, and hello coders, AI enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have seen a lot of buzz around drawing the code of Gemini. But hold on, Gemini isn't a program with traditional code you can visualize. Let's see what Gemini is and how it can empower your coding journey. So what is Google's superpowered research assistant and writer role? Essentially an advanced AI model under development, capable of analyzing information, understanding natural language and generating creative text formats. Now I'm going to answer why can't we draw Now you'll learn why can't we. Now I'm going to answer code. So unlike traditional sorts of code, AI is built on complex algorithms and machines. Unlike traditional software with lines of code, AI is built on complex algorithms and machine learning models. These aren't things you can put on a whiteboard. However, that doesn't mean there's a way to understand how it works. So, how can Gemini help you code? Here's where things get exciting. Here's where things get